welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's discuss on this problem statement to find out number of digits in an integer. Let's use logarithm method to find out number of digits in an integer. Let me take out this example to explain you guys. Assume suppose x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically it is in decimal representation. Okay, so decimal representation means it implies our base is 10, like for for binary base is 2, like that for decimal our base is 10. So if we apply log to the base 10 to our x, then we will get a float. Suppose like seeing it roughly, what we can say is basically it is more than 10 cube, which is 1000. So our value will be like greater than 3, like 3 point something. So it can be 3 point something. Let's find out what can be the value. So simply we will go and see this log 10 of 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is the value. So from this what we can infer is the seal of log 10 of x is nothing but digits count of x. Yes, right. So let's take another example, which is 4500. Even even 4500 is also like it is greater than 10 cube. Greater than 10 cube and less than less than 10 power 4. So basically for 4500 also we might be ending up with value somewhere between 3 to 4, 3 point something. So there also when we apply seal to that value we will get 4. So which is number of digits of 4500 also. But in there are some edge cases where this logic will fail. Suppose in case x is 1000. If x is 1000, log 10 of x basically gives 3, where in this case our digits for 1000 is 4. But in this case in particular, like all 10 powers, 10, 100, 10 square, 10 cube, all of these cases particularly this logic will fail. So how to find out? So it is straight away simple. So whatever value this log 10 of x, if it is an integer, then we need to add plus 1. Integer matlab there is no like there is no float value. If it is not a float, then we need to, there is no floating values, then we need to add a plus 1. So how to find out the float which we obtained is an integer which has no decimal places. So for that we have a technique. So we can apply a seal on whatever log value we have got. If it is equal to log 10 of x, let me simplify it. Let's assume declare a variable a. Let me store in it. So seal of a equal to a, then it's an integer, else it's a float. Okay. Okay, so let's move and code this out. Let me have Okay, let me declare a variable where we can take an input. So basically I need to get the digits of an integer. So I declared an integer variable and I will take the input in variable n. So next I need to get the log 10 value, right? So let me declare a float where I will store the log 10 value of this input. Yep, I stored the log 10 value of input. So next I need to find out whether the log 10, whether this a, it is having any decimal places or not. So I've already told you, like there is a technique for it. If a is equal to c log of a, then we need to add +1 to the answer. Otherwise our answer is simply c log of a. Let's test it out with some examples. So let me go with the first case. Yeah, 4. So let me go with the other one, 42563. In this case I should get the output as 5. Yeah, I'll be pasting the URL of this code. Happy coding, guys. That's it for this video. Thank you. Please like, share.